Guys, I go by the name Mr. Divine. Please, my brother, can you tell us your name?
I'm Okpo of Lagos, the only upcoming comedian wey dey worry Lagos Island. Ikoyi, Lekki, VI, Aja, anywhere. My face show, my shoe shine. Na me be that.
Wow, that's nice. Okay, let me ask you this simple question. As a upcoming content creator living in Lagos, what are the challenges you face?
My brother, well, there's a lot of challenges as an upcoming content creator. Being in Lagos, living here in Lagos, it's not really easy. I must say that it is not really easy because most of the time, like when you want to shoot video for some local areas, man, the embarrassment some of those agboro normally give us, it is not really easy, you understand, but we still encourage ourselves because we know what we are looking for, so we don't give up. Sometimes they chase us from the location. We have to go and find another particular location to go and use to shoot for that day. And if by chance we can't get another location, we'll leave shooting for that day. It's not really easy. Being a content creator, living in Lagos is not easy because most of the time, nothing is free. Any location you go, you must settle. You understand? You know how Lagos is. It's not really easy, but it's God. It's God. We are pushing.
All right. Please, how do you feel when you meet a celebrity?
Wow. Yeah, I love that question. Yeah, I must say the truth. When you meet someone that is more than you, especially when you meet your role model, like person that you wish to see and person that you wish to be like, you understand, you really be happy, you understand, because like one time I've met Davido, you understand, so I was very happy the first day I meet him, you understand, so approaching him, he feel relaxed talking to me, you understand, there's nothing like showing himself, you understand, because Davido is for the people, you understand, and one of Davido best fans, Davido is my favorite artist here in Nigeria, you understand, so I love artists, especially artists and some other top comedians. When I see them, I really they happy. And again, I've once saw this guy, Sydney Tucker. Yeah, Sydney Tucker. He's just a nice guy and simple guy. So the day I met him, I actually told him that I'm Okpo, I'm also a comedian. I say, wow, that is good. We shake and I'm happy whenever I meet a celebrity, you understand? Because one day I know I'll be one also.
Okay, no problem. Please, can you give us a word of encouragement?
Well. What I want to tell any upcoming content creator here in Lagos or any state at all that you are facing any kind of challenges, don't tell yourself like you give up, you understand, because give up is not an option. It's never an option, you understand. So no matter what it is, keep pushing, you understand. The challenge will come because most of those celebrities we look up to today, if they give up, we couldn't know them, you understand. So challenges is everywhere, but please don't give up. Stay focused no matter what it is. Just try as much as you can, since you know what you are chasing. It's not easy, you understand. The fact is that it's not really easy, but don't give up. Just focus, you understand. As a content creator, keep shooting your video no matter how it is, no matter difficult. Just try and fix yourself to shoot some things, whatever you can do, and put it on the screen. Maybe the video that you never expect, that is the video that will make you blow. And once everybody know you, things will be easy for you. You understand? Because anything from the scratch is not really easy, So as an upcoming content creator out there, please stay focused. Don't give up and don't back down. Very soon, the world will hear your name.
All right. Please, can you tell us your handle?
Yeah, my handle, if you go to Instagram, Mr. Okpo, and also TikTok, Okpo. Once you type Okpo 38, you see me there. And also my Facebook, Mr. OkporComedy, and also YouTube, Mr. OkporComedy as well. So that is my handle.
Thank you so much. I really enjoy your word of encouragement,
Thank
and
you.
I'm happy to see you here. And I'm happy tomorrow to see you at the top. God bless you. This is OkporComedy. Thank you, my brother. You're a star already.
Thank you. One love.